Hello guys and welcome back. So for today I will have to do a vinyl click flooring, which is all the way up into the loft. But before I'm going to do it, I will have to put this ply on. It's a 12mm ply because we need to rise a little bit the level, because at the moment the bathroom is too high and the rest of the area is a little bit lower, the floor I mean. And for that they asked us to raise it a tiny bit. It's still going to be a little bit of a gap, but if we are going to go thicker than that, then we are going to be above the bathroom floor. So at the moment we are trying to get all this ply right here all the way up into the loft, and it's not easy. We have at the moment around 11 that we bought, and I'm going to show you right now the way that we have to do to reach the loft. So we have to be quite careful because the house is finished, painted. Somebody already been there, it wasn't us. So yeah, we have to go all the way to this staircase, then we have to twist here and go around here. We have to go up there because we cannot twist the ply here, and then we really have to be very careful. Now we bring the little bit of ply right here. Mr. Romeo started already to cut it, and that is our vinyl click flooring, and we have a nice view, and this is our loft. The moment we bring a few pieces onto the loft, and now we are just going to put these down, and then we will see whatever is missing and bring some more. But it's quite tricky to come all the way up here without doing any damages. Alright, so we already fixed a few pieces right here, and I was just wanted to explain to you why we do all this. So is this lip here that is very high? It's still high, but roughly is going to be around there. So yeah, like I was saying, it's still high, but it's going to be a lot better than before. And look at that gap. That gap is way too big. We will see if we can do something about that. But our main job right here is to fix this vinyl click flooring all the way onto this room, which is quite big. Now, before, right in this area was a freestanding bathtub and tiles. That's why is that difference of gap, because we have taken all these tiles out. Even here there were tiles. It was a towel rail right on this wall, and we changed the radiator with the bigger one because we took this one off and that one off, and then we put a bigger one in just to compensate for the two radiators that are missing. So at the moment it's just that one. So right, we are just going to carry on, and I will let you know other things that are happening around here when we are going to reach to them. Alright guys, so we started to install the vinyl click flooring, and also the ply is already done all over the place, and now just have to do these awkward cuts all around because those are a bit time consuming. But I managed it. So now we are actually starting to lay the click flooring, and yeah. So right, now the difficult part was done, and from now on it should be a little bit easier, because always at the door it's a little bit more time consuming, like I was saying. So right, let's do this. Alright, so we are getting there. Almost half of the room is done now. Almost, not yet. By the way, this is the floor that we are using. Let me put it straight for you guys. Here we go. Golden Select luxury vinyl plank flooring. And this type of flooring has even a little bit of underlay underneath. Now, usually the vinyl click flooring, it's a little bit easier to cut. This one, it's a little bit stronger, it's a little bit harder, more difficult to cut. So yeah, definitely it's a good quality. So right, let's continue. And finally guys, all done. Not too much light in here because it's quite late. Like my usual, I always finish late. And all the room was done and completed. Now let's just put the bed back. Now look at that feature on the chimney breast. That is very nice. So right, let's just put the bed back and we are ready to go. And I found my level under the bed. Beautiful. Beautiful. So alright guys, don't forget to squeeze that like button and see you in the next one.